Welcome back to the channel Auto Land. Today we are diving into the thrilling world of supersport motorcycles with the 2025 Yamaha R6, a machine that continues to set benchmarks for performance, agility, and style. The Yamaha R6 has always been a name synonymous with race-inspired engineering, and the 2025 model takes that legacy even further. From its aggressive aerodynamic design to its razor-sharp handling, this bike is built to excite every rider who craves speed and precision on the road or the track. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bike's sleek and streamlined bodywork, inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP machines. The front cowl is sharper and more aerodynamic, with LED headlights that not only enhance visibility but also add to its intimidating presence. The sculpted fuel tank and tail section are designed for optimal rider ergonomics, allowing you to tuck in easily during high-speed runs. Every curve and angle serves a purpose, reducing drag and improving stability at top speeds. Underneath this aggressive design lies a 599cc liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder engine, tuned for high-revving excitement and razor-edge throttle response. The 2025 R6 delivers explosive acceleration and seamless power delivery across the rev range, making it just as comfortable carving through twisty mountain roads as it is dominating a racetrack. Yamaha has refined its fuel injection system and added updated ride-by-wire technology, ensuring crisp throttle control and improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The chassis remains one of the strongest points of the R6. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame, the bike offers exceptional rigidity and agility. The suspension setup features fully adjustable KYB forks in the front and a high-spec rear shock, allowing riders to fine-tune the bike's handling to suit their riding style. The result is confidence-inspiring stability at high speeds and pinpoint accuracy when leaning into corners. Braking performance is equally impressive, thanks to dual 320mm front discs paired with radial mount calipers and a responsive ABS system. The 2025 model benefits from improved braking feel and reduced stopping distances, giving riders complete confidence even in emergency situations. Yamaha has also equipped the R6 with traction control, multiple riding modes, and a quickshifter, making the bike more versatile for different riding conditions and skill levels. Comfort hasn't been forgotten, even though this is a performance-focused machine. The rider triangle is aggressive enough for spirited riding but still manageable for longer journeys. The seat padding has been slightly improved for 2025, and the handlebars are positioned for better wrist comfort. The digital TFT display provides clear readouts for speed, RPM, gear position, and riding mode, while also integrating connectivity features for smartphone pairing and navigation. The exhaust note of the 2025 R6 is music to any sportbike enthusiast's ears. The revised exhaust system not only meets stricter emission standards but also produces a deep, satisfying growl when you open the throttle. This is a bike that doesn't just perform, it communicates with the rider through every vibration, every rev, and every corner. In terms of styling, Yamaha offers the 2025 R6 in several striking color options, including a bold racing blue, stealthy midnight black, and a limited edition anniversary white with retro racing graphics. Each variant emphasizes the bike's aggressive DNA and race-ready attitude. Overall, the 2025 Yamaha R6 is more than just a motorcycle, it's an experience. It's for riders who live for the adrenaline rush, for those who appreciate precision engineering, and for anyone who wants a machine that can turn a simple ride into a heart-pounding adventure. Whether you're pushing it to its limits on a track day or enjoying a spirited weekend ride, the R6 delivers excitement at every twist of the throttle. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Yamaha R6. This bike truly carries the spirit of Yamaha's racing heritage while embracing modern technology to deliver the ultimate supersport experience. If you're looking for a blend of style, speed, and precision handling, the R6 should definitely be on your radar. See you in the next video.